Hello, how's everybody doing? Welcome to my channel, Mikey's Automotive. Hola, ¿cómo están todos? Bienvenidos a mi canal, Mikey's Automotive. Здравствуйте, как дела? Добро пожаловать на мой канал, Mike Lucci Автомобильный. Hoy voy a enseñarle cómo cortar esta llave. I'm going to show you today, you guys, how to cut this TV key, okay? So a lot of people get scared when it comes down to the TV keys because they're not familiar with it and they think it's really hard to cut a TV key with a Dolphin XP005. So we have our blank key, okay, that we're going to have. We're going to put our already cut key inside our clamp, okay. All right, you guys, so we're going to use our M3 clamp with the 3A adapter. Okay, for our 6-cut TV key. This is a Ford 6-cut TV key, you guys. So don't forget that. There's 2 screws. The screw on top is going to hold the key in place, the one that I'm screwing in right now. And the one on the tip of the key will push the key further out, okay? Okay, so como pueden ver, el tornillito de arriba va a tener la llave en posición. Ok, y el tornillo en la punta de la llave va a trazar la llave hacia atrás, ok. Y esta llave es una llave de 6 cortes Ford. Y como pueden ver, la abrazadera o mordaza, como se le dice, va a ser el M3, ok, con el adaptador 3A. Alright, guys, so there's 4 sides. There's 4 positions to the key. There's A, B, C, and D. Let me show you the first position. That's A2, A3, and A4. So hay 4 posiciones. Ok, ahora vamos a ir al lado B. Posición 2 del lado B. So, alright, you guys, so B2. As you guys can see, it moved. Okay, I drew numbers on it. I put a smaller key with a key head so you guys can see what's going on. Okay, I marked the sides, A, B, D, and C. So this would be side B, position 2. So este, como le digo, va a ser lado B, posición 2. Let's switch to position 3. Okay, you guys can see that's B3. And that is B4. Ok, so como pueden ver, ya estoy en la última posición, que es la 4. Ok, B4. Now you guys, this is the fun part. Now we're going to turn the key upside down. Vamos a voltear la llave al revés. Ok, make sure that it's horizontal. Asegúrense que está pareja. Ok, now for side D, we're going to do this. We just moved up the key, and that's D2, okay, side D, position 2. Lado D, posición 2. That's position 3 on side D, and that's position 4 on side D. Okay, y esa es la última posición del lado D, que es la posición 4. Ahora vamos a ir a la posición lado C. We're going to go to position C, and it's really easy. Make sure it's flat. We're going to start off flat. And we're going to go to the second position. Vamos a ir a la segunda posición del lado C. Now we're going to go to the third position. Okay, that's 3. And then finally, the last position, 4. Okay, so ya estamos en la última posición del lado C, como pueden ver. And that's how you do it. Basically, just follow instructions on the Key Tool Max. Everything that it tells you, just go ahead and do it. Vamos a continuar. Ok, vamos a elegir nuestra llave, ok, a tomarle las medidas y cortar la llave nueva. So we're going to go ahead and decode our key first, you guys. So what we want to do is we want to go to vehicle database, ok. Vamos a ir a los datos de vehículo, ok, donde están los vehículos. So we're looking for Ford, you guys. Este es un Ford. We're going to go to all key blanks. Ok, vamos a ir a todas las llaves. Y aquí pueden ver F021. You guys can see the F021 is a 6-bit, like I told you guys, okay? It tells you the clamp. Okay, M3, side 1 position. And we need to decode it once again on position A1, okay? And it has to be horizontal. All right, you guys? So remember that horizontal A1, okay? Position 1. Alright, you guys, so our key is in place. Our already cut key is in place. We're going to decode it first. You guys can see all our screws are really tight. Como pueden ver, nuestra llave está bien apretadita. Vamos a continuar. So we're going to go ahead and continue. We're going to decode key Vamos a ir a the code key. Make sure that it's connected to your Bluetooth, you guys. Asegúrate que estás conectado con el Bluetooth, okay, de la Dolphin. I'm going to select my machine. Perfect. So let's continue once again, guys. We're going to go to the code key. Continue. It's telling us that we should be in position A. Okay, side A, position 1. Nos está diciendo que tenemos que estar en lado A, posición 1. So right now, basically, it's decoding the key, you guys. All right. And it's really easy. It's nothing from a different world, okay? A lot of people are scared because it's a different key. It's a rare key, but there's nothing to be scared of, you guys. Just make sure you follow instructions. Okay, mucha gente se asusta porque es una llave TV y se mira bien rara y no saben cortar la llave, pero si tiene la mordaza o la abrazadera correcta se puede hacer. So you guys can see we decoded our key successfully. Okay, now we're going to go to cut key. Now this is the part that confuses a lot of people and even confused me. Okay, you guys can see it still says the code key on top, but we didn't go to the code key. Okay, it's telling us M3 side 1 position to continue. So we're gonna go ahead and take our key out. Okay, that's already cut, and we're gonna put the new key in. So don't let this confuse you guys. Go ahead and take out the old key, put the new key in, okay, you guys? So como pueden ver, esta es la llave, esta es la parte que confunde muchas personas. Como pueden ver arriba todavía dice the code key, tiene que decir cut key. Pero lo que vas a hacer aquí, vas a sacar tu llave y vas a poner la llave nueva, ok. Vas a poner la llave nueva en la mordaza y vamos a continuar. So you guys can see I have my new key inside my clamp, okay, and it's ready. And I'm ready to continue. So we're going to go to continue. Vamos a continuar. Ya tenemos nuestra llave nueva. Okay, vamos a continuar. So you guys, we have our blank key inside our claw. We're going to continue. You guys can see it says cutting key. Okay. All right, you guys. So we're going to go ahead and continue once again. It's just making sure that the key's in there. Okay, vamos a continuar otra vez. Now it's telling us that we should switch it to position to side A1, position 1, position 2, excuse me. Okay, side A, position 2. Ahora le vamos a cambiar al lado A, posición 2, y vamos a continuar. So you guys can see we kind of flipped our key a little bit. Okay, from the left up. From the left side, okay, we lifted our key to position A2. So, como pueden ver, pues, ponemos nuestra llave en posición, okay, 2, del lado A, y continuamos. So, this is basically all we're going to do, you guys. We're going to keep turning the key around until we actually eventually turn the key upside down, okay? And then when the key is upside down, you have your other two sides. You have your side D and your side D and C. Okay, D is on the left, C is on the right. But the key is upside down, okay? So, como pueden ver, eso es lo que vamos a hacer todo el tiempo. Vamos a seguir cambiando la llave en posición. Ahora vamos a poner la llave en el lado A, posición 3. So now, you guys, we turned our key to position 3 on side A. And we're just going to keep continuing. And it's going to keep cutting the key. And basically, like I said, that's all we're going to do. So, como pueden ver, ya los últimos lados va a ser el lado D y C. El lado D va a estar a la mano izquierda. Y el lado C va a estar a la mano derecha, pero la llave va a estar hacia el revés, ¿ok? La llave va a estar hacia el revés. So you guys, this is our last position, okay, for side A. And this is going to be A4 that we're cutting. Okay, esta va a ser la última posición del lado A que vamos a cortar y ya está en la posición A4. Como pueden ver, y está lista para cortar. All right, you guys. So this is our last position. Like I said, once again, we're going to go ahead and continue, okay, for side A. And then after this, we're going to go to side B. All right. Ya después de esto que terminamos en el lado de A, vamos a irlos al lado de B, okay. De la posición B1, okay. This is pretty fun, you guys, okay. Sadly, eventually, this video, my phone actually died. Okay, so it's gonna cut off, but I hope you guys, I hope this helps you out a lot because I didn't have any help when I was looking for help. And, that's why I'm making this video. So now, as you guys can see, I'm on side B, okay, position B2, because that's what it's asking me. Okay, position B2, not B1. So make sure that you just read it. Como pueden ver, ya estoy en lado B, okay, posición 2, porque me dijo posición 2, no la posición 1. So nomás asegúrense que están leyendo bien ahí lo que dice el Keto Max. Y el Keto Max te va a guiar. So the Keto Max is going to guide you guys, all right? So don't be scared. Just make sure you read on what position it's at, what side it's on, okay? So once again, right now we're cutting on B2. Side B, position 2. After we're done with position B, you guys, we're going to flip the key upside down. And like I said, we're going to go to position D and C, okay? So position D and C is upside down when the key is upside down. Because it's on the other side of the key. So como le dije, ya después que terminamos con lado B, vamos a ir a posición, al lado D y C. Ahorita pusimos la llave en la posición 3 del lado B. Y estamos cortando. So right now, you guys can see that we turned it to a side, to the position 3, okay, side B. And sadly, this is where my phone died and marked the end of this video. Okay, you guys, really simple like that. As soon as you're done on your last side, it's going to tell you to take out the key and just go ahead, brush it out a little bit and try it out, okay? Ya la última posición te va a decir que saque la llave y ya está completo todo, okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit like, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, take care.